Hi, what's up, guys? We're going to start chapter 2 today, using transformations to graph quadratic functions. So, quadratic function, we know this, right? Function is like an equation. Quadratic means the exponent is a 2, right there, right? So it can be written in the form of f of x equals a, which remember is our stretch or compression, parentheses x minus h. That's our right and left translation, squared plus k, and k is the up or down translation, where a cannot be 0. In a quadratic function, the variable is always squared. So let's check it out. This is a linear function. We knew this, right? Quadratic, they make this shape called a parabola. It's like a U, or sometimes it's upside down, and sometimes it's really skinny, sometimes it's really wide, but this is the parent function y equals x squared. So again, that's a parabola. This point where it changes directions, it's called the vertex, and we'll talk about that later. If it's at the bottom, it's a minimum value, it's at the bottom, and if it's at the top, it's a maximum value. So we are going to graph a quadratic function using a table. Graph f of x equals x squared minus 6x plus 8 by using a table. So I set up a table here, and I have this graph ready to go. Let me make this smaller so it all shows up on one slide. So I picked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. These are, you could pick any numbers you want, but this will show us the curve of the graph. We're going to put these in for x. So let's see. X squared minus 6x plus 8. 1 squared is 1. 6 times 1 is 6. If we go left to right, 1 minus 6 is negative 5, plus 8 is 3. So our x was 1, and our y was 3. Then we try it with the number 2. 2 squared minus 6 times 2 plus 8. 2 squared is 4. 6 times 2 is 12 plus 8. 4 minus 12 is negative 8 plus 8 is 0. So we put in 2 for x. We got out 0 for y. For 3, 3 squared, 6 times 3 plus 8. Again, all we're doing is replacing the x's in the original equation with these numbers. So 3 squared is 9, 6 times 3 is 18, plus 8. 9 minus 18 is negative 9, plus 8 is negative 1. So 3, negative 1. We put in 4. 4 squared is 16. 6 times 4 is 24. So 16 minus 24 plus 8. 16 minus 24 is negative 8, plus 8 is 0. So we put in 4, we got out 0. And one more, let's try it with 5. 5 squared, 6 times 5, plus 8. 5 squared is 25, 6 times 5 is 30, plus 8. 25 minus 30 is negative 5, plus 8 is 3. So we got 5, we got 3. We are going to plot these points on the graph. 1, 3 is there. 1 to the right, 3 up. We have 2, 0. It's right on the line. We got 3, negative 1. Uh-oh, I didn't leave negative space. So 3, negative 1, that'll be about there. We got 4, 0. And we've got 5, 3. And there we go. That's our shape of the parabola there. Oh, that was terribly drawn. So I got to pause it there because I ran out of room on this length of time video. But I do want you to try graphing the next one here. So I have a table set up for it. Well, actually, I didn't give you a table. You can choose your own values and try it out.